Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use the Kanban view in Monday.com. First, add the Kanban view. Click plus add view at the top of your board, then choose Kanban. Alternatively, click the three-dot menu, then board power-ups, board views, then pick Kanban. Next, open the Kanban settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the Kanban view. Set which status column or columns you want to use as your Kanban lanes under Kanban column. You can divide your Kanban board into swim lanes by things like board groups, status, or connect boards columns via the divide by option. Next, customize which data appears on each Kanban card. Click or drag columns you want to show on your cards. There are also checkboxes for show column name or display cover image you can turn on or off. There is also a customization tab for subtasks. To add a new item, click the plus button in the top right of a column or the three-dot menu. You can drag and drop cards to reorder them within a column or move them to a different column. Now, do you want to edit a card? Click anywhere on the card to open its full item view, or click on a visible field on the card itself to edit it inline. You can also use the card's three-dot menu to archive, delete, duplicate, or move it. And that's how you use the Kanban view in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.